showtime.
It feels good going outside and being able to actually enjoy the fresh air after being stuck in your home playing games for most of the day. Wait a second. It's summertime. And it's July. Yeah, I should have seen that one coming.
Well, time to find shelter. Hey, Knuckles, you want to play tag?
No.
TV tag?
No.
Freeze tag?
No.
Fight against some guys who want to play musical chairs?
Oh no. Maybe. Get the guys first.
Hey, get out of here, this is my spot. Okay, I'm going.
Well, I guess that makes me in charge of this until the rain goes over. And something tells me that the rain isn't gonna go away anytime soon. Yeah, I own the place. I can make anyone do whatever I want, whether they like it or not. But why would I do that? Unlike all these other dictators, I'm a good dictator. Well, not necessarily a dictator, but a ruler. Everybody, new rules.
Oh, crap.
I am now head of this establishment, so you'll all do as I say, and hopefully no one has to stay out in the rain. If anyone disobeys at any point, good luck trying to survive in the storm.
Look, you...
Just play you off. Just play you off.
Okay, Master, what's your first order? Wait. Amy! I need to go out there and save her. Don't worry, I got you. No?
Oh, hey, long time no see.
Dude, I gotta get you inside. Why are you just laying out on the ground?
I wanted to, though the ground was really comfortable. I just feel like moving would just get my circuits all messed up.
Dude, your circuits are gonna get messed up by going in the rain. Come on. Okay, we're gonna get you food, water, and anything else you can handle.
Alright. By the way, you know you didn't have to do this for me.
Dude, you're my old friend. Of course I have to do this for you.
Dude, I'm so bored. I don't even know what to do. I mean, I've tried reprogramming on my robots. And like, oh, no. I want nothing to do with the hedgehog and his crew. Well, at least the hedgehog. Maybe I could talk the fox. See where he's located. Busch Gardens Tampa. Seriously, that's where you go after you all beat me? Typical. Actually, you know what? You think about it, they really haven't been to Busch Gardens that much. Whatever. Time to ruin... Wait. He's the head of authority because it's rated. He made himself head of authority. Well, there's about to be a new head of authority. And then the head of authority will have everyone doing what they say. And my first order of business will be to kill Sonic the Hedgehog.
You, give me a soda. You, fill the dining room. We're gonna sleep there in 5 minutes. You. Do you get it? Thank you. What's all the noise? Okay, what could possibly be more important thing? Eggman!
Mark my words, Fox. You will give up authority, and I will kill every single last one of you. It was originally sorry for another thought. Nah, that wouldn't be fun. Every single last one of you guys.
Attention recruits. We have some important business to take care of. Eggman wants to kill every single last one of us. Well, I say we're not going to let that happen. So I may not have bought any tanks or weapons or any machinery of that kind, but I did steal them. Look, before you say it's a bad idea, and before you say that wasn't the good thing to do, it's 2023, and it's raining. We kind of don't have a choice. So yeah, everyone in your battle stations. It's pretty simple to control, actually. Okay, everyone, on my signal, unleash in hell.
What turkey so long?
What made you so ugly?
Alright, time to bring out the big guns. Whoa. Yeah, I don't think just one's gonna win. I need 5! That's more like it.
Did we win yet?
No, I don't think we won. You know what? I think we should call this a tie.
Okay, that could have gone a lot better. But it was clearly outside being the problem. Fighting outside when it's pouring rain was not a good idea. Oh, what's this? I surrender. We did it! We beat him! All thanks to Mutt. No, I feel frozen. Tia-Boo. Thonic, you're the captain from now on. And if you die, Nuggle is the captain.
Okay, you've beaten Eggman before, you can beat him again. You just gotta come up with a plan.
Everybody meet near the front of the restaurant, because I have an idea. Alright everyone, get ready and pay attention, because here's the plan. Okay, so, Amy and Metal are in a team again. Meanwhile, Knuckles is with Frozen Tails. So Knuckles is going to take Frozen Tails and punch the eyes off. Meanwhile, Amy and Metal are going to distract Eggman. That's where I'll go while distracting Eggman and control the robots to be on our side. Well, not really control, convince is more of the word I'll use. And then after they're done distracting Eggman, Amy and Metal will go to Knuckles and Tails. Then all of you guys will stay inside because I don't want any of you guys getting hurt. So I'll go to Eggman and I'll face him myself.
Do you really think that can work?
We have to try. Now, most of us may get hurt, but I think most of us would rather get hurt than be hurt. Because we have to show Eggman who's boss. Because if he takes over at any point, he will not only kill us, but he will destroy the entire park with the people in it. In fact, no. He won't even let the people leave. He won't even give them a chance to leave. He'll pretty much force them to stay here so that he can destroy the entire park. And then who knows what he can do next?
English, please.
Look, what I'm trying to say is, we don't defeat Eggman now, we're dead.
Just wait till those pests find out that I've taken over the entire park.
Hey, Eggman, wanna play 20 questions?
Sure, but you ask the questions.
Alright, is he a man?
Yes.
Is he famous?
Yes.
Is he over 40?
No.
Over 40?
Yes.
Is he a voice actor?
Yes, very
Is
good.
he on TV now?
Yes.
Is he something for him?
Yes.
I am surprised this Roger's holding back up, but I am also glad at the same time. I'm not grateful for this win.
A few moments moments later.
Alright, so excited for all of us to stay here and stay put when he goes and fights Eggman. I wonder how he's gonna do it.
Sonic the Hedgehog, I know you're out there, and I just want to let you know that I've taken over every area of the park, so there's nowhere that will be safe for me. Now, enjoy your ride on Cobra's Curse. It is about to be demolished while you're riding it.
Well, there's only one more thing to do now.
And now, you will is returned to this land, and the Snake King shall reign. The darkness awakens, my power grows. Yes, I am the serpent. The darkness awakens, my power grows.
I don't know what you did, Hedgehog, but whatever you're doing needs to stop.
Well, maybe you shouldn't have single-handedly tried to kill hundreds of people in the first place. You have a lot to think about. Okay, 3 more hits and done. Oh, nice. The rain finally stopped. Alright, Eggman. You got anything to say before I wrap this up?
You want to kill me, would you?
Thanks for helping me find the sewer, Pixel Brothers.
Well, no problem. Give me a pain in the butt fight.
It was a pain in the butt to walk to.
Oh, by the way, whatever happened to Eggman?
Oh, he admitted defeat and ran off.
Well, a little war has been won thanks to my sacrifice.
Jim, this will happen as well, but don't worry.
Well, I guess this is it. I'll see you later.
Wait, Beto, let me ask you something first. I was wondering if you wanted to be a part of the gang, you know, like live with us?
Are you kidding? I don't want anything more in my entire life.